Kapag ikaw nangangailangan ka ng pera and kailangan mong mangutang, huwag kang mangutang. Ang gawin mo, magbenta ka instead ng isang product or service. You can be honest with people na namomroblema ka, but for them to just give you an opportunity, no commitment, to hear you out, to listen to what you have to offer. So ako yung na-bankrupt ako na wala lahat. Ang ginawa ko, nag-message ako sa mga tao and I told them my situation, na bankrupt ako, but I have something to show them, no commitment, and kung ano-ano yung mga binenta ko that time. Na yung iba, hindi ko alam kung paano ko sila nabenta, pero I saw people who are willing to help me. So kung kayo, you are in need, magbenta kayo ng pagkain, hanap kayo ng supplier, and those things actually work and people will respect you even more because they see that you have the intention to get out of your money problem, but you are doing it in such a way na pinapakita mo sa kanila na hardworking ka din at madiskarte ka din. So kapag ikaw nangangailangan ka ng pera, again, huwag mangutang kagad. Maghanap ng way para magbenta ng service or ng product to people out there, and I believe that it will solve your money problem without even borrowing money.